Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back in. Today, I want to be discussing with you a project that I believe can do a realistic 10x for the remainder of this bull cycle, okay, over the course of next 2 to 3 months. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is in no way recommendation on investment. I'm strictly sharing it with you for educational purposes, right? For this coin, I'll be looking at the token metrics, I'll be looking at the project, and most importantly, the technical analysis. Alright. And using all these bases and the facts, I will do my best to show you why I believe it can get to a 10x. Alright, let's get into it. The coin I've picked is TLM, Project Alien Worlds. Now, it's a metaverse project where you can play to earn NFTs. Alright, well, let's take a look at the basics. Alien World is an NFT metaverse where you can play with unique digital asset items, NFTs. Players stake trillion to planets to vote in upcoming planetary elections, as well as to increase the planet's rewards pool. Planet DAOs participate in weekly elections for council candidates, submit proposals on how to distribute the planet treasury, or run for planetary council yourself. Trade game cards. Players may select NFT game cards for the strategy on Binance Smart Chain and Wax to be used for mining, fighting, and missions. Cross-chain bridge, teleporting TLM between BSC, Wax, and Ethereum. So this actually has a projection for the future as well. Now, why do I like this project? Is because of its tokenomics. Now, main thing about this is that first, it's listed on Binance and KuCoin, and they don't list just any project. Okay. Second, that even though there is a big number of tokens available, these tokens, they will be diminishing over time. Okay. And we can see here with the future projection fees for Windows license for services. Okay, so they have a use case and the tokens will be diminishing, so that's good to see. Now, you will get rewarded for mining, for staking, and even for just voting in the councils. Okay, now Federation Treasury burns TLM from NFT shining fees, and you may burn other TLM fees as well, so that also will decrease the number of tokens. Again, it's a good thing to see. Partners: Binance Smart Chain, CoinMarketCap, big investment capitals right here, and play to earn. They don't invest in just any project. Now, Digital Assets Group is big. Okay, this one is actually one that I have just focused on recently to do some study, and it has proven to they have proven to be investing in only projects that have potential. Now, the roadmap, I like the fact that they have been accomplishing in the roadmaps. Okay, they have a good user interface, and in the near term they have all these projects upcoming, which are only 4 and they're almost completed. Now, for the future, they have few games that are going to be released. All right, fighting game released, artifacts NFTs released, landowners to be able to display their items in their windows, governance released. So all this will take a little bit of time, but I think it definitely can. Also, the future plans for the longer term: more missions, more land sales, more quests. So people, I do believe that will be continuing to invest in this. Now, why I believe this can actually happen? Well, this is where the token metrics come in and the tokenomics. People will be investing in this constantly because, one, the volume on the 24-hour is 83 million. Okay, this is no chump change, which means people are actually using the token. All right, it's active. It's an active community. If you go onto the Telegram group, you can see there are 28,000+ members. Okay, now market cap 205 million. Fully diluted market cap is 2 billion. Okay, now simple math here: 200 million to 2 billion is a 10x, straight up 10x. Can this happen? I do believe so. Why? Well, as we discussed, the volume, which means people are interested in it. Now, the straight 10x, in my opinion, can happen because of the total supply and the circulating supply of the tokens. All right, there is a maximum of 10 billion tokens available, out of which they are currently distributing 5 billion tokens. But out of those 5 billion distributed tokens, only circulating supply is of 914 million. Okay, that's very, very small if you think about it. It's 1/10 of the total supply available of TLM, and out of these they will be burning the tokens, which means it's going to get shorter over time, right? Now, yes, to get to 100x is going to take a long time, but for 10x, this bull cycle, I do believe it can happen. Now, taking a look at the chart, this is a beautiful, beautiful thing I like to see. Okay, now this is called the range. I personally believe it's been accumulating ever since the coin came out. Okay, it has not broken this key level right here, and once it breaks this key level, I do believe it's going straight to the upside. Now, this is a massive range that this coin is currently in. What you see here, this fractal, this is a fractal from the LRC, the loop ring coin. I have overlaid this fractal because it looks almost identical to the pricing structure of TLM, which personally I like to see. Okay, because this means I can base it off of something. Now, LRC ended up doing a 10x recently. Now, if this coin follows the same structure to a 10x, is $2.54. All right, now using the Fibonacci's, this is where the maximum fib level, fib extension is as well. So that to me is confluence. Okay, 4.236 extension. This is where the capitulation came in. This is the bottom. So I will take this range and pull the Fibonacci's. This goes to a straight 10x. Okay, fractal fits. This is accumulation pricing structure. Tokenomics are great. To me, this screams a 10x. Okay, now very, very likely it does do a 10x for the remainder of this bull cycle. In the future, given that the project is going to be reducing the number of tokens, they have always new projects and new games to be released. I do believe it's a longer term project, but for this remainder of this bull cycle, realistic 10x, as I've shown you with the facts, is likely. All right, now thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so you're alerted on my next videos, and stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.